station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. During potentially dangerous weather situations.
Conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially
the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter.
Weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in near southeast New Jersey.
Activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, Kent, and Sussex.
Delaware up 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly 10th of NOAA Radio All Hazards. Station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
This concludes the weekly 10th of NOAA Radio All Hazards. In Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
At least y'all did it this time.